Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also to personalize that notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. So today guys, we are going to be doing a slick back ponytail with a V parting. First things first, you wanna section your hair exactly as I am doing. You're gonna first start by tying your hair on a slick back, like the back section. You first start by tying that portion and then you apply your styling gel on that portion. I am going to be using the Dark and Lovely styling gel. When you are done with the back part, you want to go ahead and work in sections on the front part. You want to start by parting your V part exactly as I am doing, and then after so doing, you want to section that V part so that you make sure that your hair is slick and nice. So you want to work in sections exactly as I am doing. And then when you are done applying your styling gel, you want to go ahead and dry it. I am using hot air, or you can use warm, but hot makes it easier and it dries quicker when you use hot heat. And then you want to go ahead and take your drawstring ponytail. I got mine from CURLSQUEEN. I love the texture of this hair because it is natural, it is not too silky, it is not too coarse, it's just medium. It looks like my relaxed hair, so I love that. And also the installation is very, very simple, quick and easy. You just want to go ahead and braid your hair exactly as I am doing, and then when you're done, you roll your hair and then maybe hold it with a bobby pin. If you don't have long hair, you can do like a separate booster with a separate hairpiece, and then you do exactly as I am doing. You roll that booster around your ponytail and then you put on your drawstring ponytail. As simple as that, just like that. And voila, you are done. It's a very simple, quick and easy method to do your slick back ponytail. I love it. You can also tie the ponytail as a bun. I love it. Please, to shop the ponytail, I'll leave the link in my description. Please do check my description. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also do personalize the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified. I love you all. I'm gonna see you on the next coming one.